Hey guys, Janelle here if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you for tuning in today. So today's makeup look is inspired by my brand new song, Good Love. For the cover art and the music video, I did a really strong kind of cat eye, champagne-y romantic look. I feel like this eye look is so seductive, like, hi. I don't know, but I think it'd be really cute for Valentine's Day, which is this Sunday. So while you guys are cooking dinner for yourselves, your friends, your man, your woman, whoever, and you want to look cute and you want to be in the Good Love mood, and so you turn on Good Love and you stream it, linked down below, you will be ready to have the best date night. Trust me. So I will leave everything linked down below for you guys, and let me know if you recreate this look, if you guys are going on any dates. Are you guys single this year? Are you guys hanging with friends? What's the vibe? What are we doing? What are we getting into? Tell me fun stuff. Yeah, without further ado, don't forget to stream Good Love, and let's get into the tutorial. My hair is doing the craziest things. Oh my god, my hair. It's cute, right? What is my hair doing? There's literally hair all down my face. Just so you guys know, you guys are all my Valentines this year. No excuses, no exceptions. I don't want to hear it. If I had like curtain bangs. Okay, let's go. So it's literally 8:30 on a random evening. I'm going nowhere, but I was like, you know, I really want to do this makeup look. So I really need to hydrate my lips. Taking Kylie Skin. This is just what was next to me. This isn't like the greatest lip mask I've ever used, but it's also not horrible. Actually, not bad. It's not my favorite, but normally I use my Shea Butter. I already moisturized and did everything to my skin, but I'm gonna put a little bit more moisturizer around my eyes just to make sure that they're not gonna be crusty and they're gonna be hydrated and just all of that good stuff. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of primer. Since this is more of like a seductive, romantic look, I'm gonna take this really amazing primer. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating Silicone Free Primer. I'm gonna put just a little bit on because I want to have that, I just want to have like that inner glow, you know what I mean? So I'll more so put it on my temples, around my cheeks. I actually like that this is silicone free because it doesn't give you like that weird feeling on your skin, like where it just kind of sits on top of your skin, you know what I mean? Two foundations for this look. These are both a medium to full coverage. So this one is the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blurring Foundation. I love this, but it's a little dark for me right now. This is in the color Driftwood, and it's a little bit more matte. So if you're oily, that one's probably a better bet. This one is Your Skin But Better Foundation and Skincare. It says improves bare skin in just 2 weeks, medium coverage. And this is in the color medium neutral. This is more my color right now. So when I'm doing a cat eye or a really intense makeup look, I really like to have a medium coverage because I just feel like it pulls the look all together, you know what I mean? Also, you guys, if you want to see my morning skincare routine that just went up like about 2 weeks ago, I will link it and you can tab it over and watch it, or maybe it'll be linked over here. I also have been loving this foundation brush because it's so big and it saves so much time when you're like putting on your foundation, you know what I mean? You can just like, now taking my like forever favorite concealer. Actually, this has been one of my favorite concealers for the past like year. It's so good. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer in Fair Warm. And I just go right here and bring it down a little bit, and then we're just gonna bring it out. I'm gonna do my cat liner more out this way than straight up, so I'm also just gonna make sure the concealer kind of goes straight so I can just follow it, you know what I'm saying? And just put a little bit in the middle here just to brighten it. It blends out so nicely and it covers so much. And then I'm just gonna take this out because this is gonna start the line for where my eyeliner will be. Just gonna take the excess on my eyelid, blending that in, and then I even like to take it around my nose. So I'm gonna immediately set this so we're not dewy, and this is so mattifying. This is the Magic Sands Radiant Translucent Powder, and it has SPF by Ilia, and it's considered a clean makeup brand. This foundation by this brand is insane. Most of these products are just absolutely amazing. To me, the powder is a little bit bright for me. I kind of wish it was more translucent, but you'll see. If you really like the white under eye look, you'll definitely love this powder because it does just that, and it's so mattifying. Look at that. I'll just take this around my mouth, on my nose. I'm just gonna take the rest on my forehead. I'm gonna set it later, but this is my favorite thing to use for contour right now. This is the Haley's Replay Foundation Stick in the color 7.25. It's pretty dark, but I just like to put it, I just like to put it on the back of my hand like that. Take my favorite brush. This is the Concealer Blend Kabuki brush. I'm just going to take some of the product and I'm just going to go right at the top of my cheekbone and then blend it on my temple, my forehead. The color is a little dark for me. Normally when I'm a little bit tanner, it's like perfect. I'm gonna take the extra just on the nose and the tip of my nose, like that. And then we'll just do the other side too, why not? And just blend this like that. It actually looks really good. Obviously I'll blend it out a little bit more later, but good for a base to start. Coffee and green tea, yes. Do I not want to sleep tonight? Sure. Green tea keeps me up all night too. I really want to sleep tonight, but I guess it's fine. I'm just gonna take extra powder in that translucent powder lid that I have left over, and I'm just going to set the middle of my forehead. I'm gonna set the contour right now. This is like a palette from Benefit. It's called, this is the Cheerleaders Bronze Squad, but I'm just using the two powders. I'm taking Hoola and Hoola Caramel to set. I'm just gonna wipe this powder under my under eye because it's actually probably a little too light for me. I know some of you guys are probably gonna be like, fine, we always make it work. Since this look is gonna be extra, I'm gonna take my translucent powder and I'm just gonna go right along here. Just gonna go right there, let that sit, just so we can make like the cheekbones pop. Just let that sit for now. Let's do my eyebrows because they're killing me. I found the new love of my life. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tinted Pen, and this is in the color Espresso, and it's so easy. I just start right at the middle of my brow and kind of draw a straight line because I've been liking my brows more straight than arched, and I just draw it out like so. Same over here. This is literally one of my favorite brow products I've recently gotten to use. Now the key. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 1. So it's a very, very, very light shade. I just line it up with my nose and I draw a line and then I just go inwards to give that ombre effect. Now I'm just going to make sure that they look all snatchizzled, and I just wipe this off because it's killing me. It's just like a line, and I'll smooth it out a little bit later too. We can take the bronzer and just kind of like, I'm also gonna take a little bit of blush, the NARS Orgasm X blush, and this is the Sigma Long Angled Contour Brush. And I love the glow that this blush gives. Okay, eyeshadow is gonna be pretty simple. I'm taking, this is the Buxom White Russian palette, and I'm gonna go into this color here. Gonna go all over my lid. Okay, my lid. My favorite brush, this is the Eye Shading E55. Yeah, I'm just gonna pack it on like so, and I'm gonna just like wing it straight a little bit. So now that I did the pink eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with, this is like a Becca highlighting palette. However, the color that I'm gonna use is Champagne Pop, so you can also use any of your favorite highlighters, and I'm just gonna go over this pink color to lighten it up and make it not as like pinky. Cool. Taking my Stila Stay All Day. This is the waterproof liquid liner. What I love about this is it's a micro mini tip and it's so easy to control. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on the inside of my eye and I'm just gonna gently glide it up. So I'm gliding up like that and I'm gonna connect it and fill it in. So 90% of the time it's not gonna be perfectly straight. So I sit here and I open my eye, and when I open it, I just take it up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's almost like you have to bend it and go against the curvature of your eye, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna quickly do the other eye and then I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that took some finessing, but I got it. So now we're gonna do the inner corner. So basically you're gonna take the same pen and you're gonna just draw straight and follow the line of like your eyeball. So hold on like this out, or you can actually draw into it and then just draw it back out. And you can make it however thick you want it. I want it a little bit thicker and I'm extending it down into the bottom lash line. Okay, so finish that. I'm going back in with this same color in the Buxom White Russian palette. I'm just gonna go along my bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna take this little freck guy and I'm gonna go and highlight my freckles. Now for the fun part, I'm taking all of these highlighters, well actually just these two, and this is, like I said, this palette in general is called the Pop Goes the Glow Champagne Face and Eye Palette, but individually this is the Berry and Pink Cream highlighter, and I just love how these look. It's just such a romantic kind of candlelit glow to the skin. It just gives you such a glow. Like, I'm so in love with it. I'm gonna spray my face. This is obviously the Soft Focus Setting Spray by Hourglass. It's the best. It just like mists your face so you never truly feel wet, which is what I love about this. Let's do lashes. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, obviously, and you're really gonna make these babies pop. Now I'm taking, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I think it's Shay H collab. I got like 3 different Better Than Sex mascaras and they were all different collabs. So this one looks like this. This is the signature. So now I'm just going to apply this. This is literally one of my all-time favorite mascaras. If you don't like this mascara, there's one that's a little bit darker and thicker, like when you go to apply it, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury one, which I also just love and die for. Okay. So I did this side of lashes. I took the Ardell, these are the trio, not flare trios in long, and I just take 2 and I stack them at the ends, and then I put mascara on. So I did it at this end, and I'm gonna do one more. So I like to stick it up at an angle to give me more of like a snatched look. I'm just going to plant it like that. So now I just take my mascara and I go like this. And I just kind of brush up the lashes so they blend in with the little falsies I added. Okay, now let's do the lip. This is like a perfect nude lip combination. So this is the Josh Woo, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Stay in Line lip liner in Seal, and you can get this at Target. I'm just going to outline my lip. I'm just gonna fill it in. It's so creamy. Now I'm gonna take this lip gloss. This is the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream in White Russian. It's so pretty. It smells like the Bath & Body Works like vanilla scent candles. So good. I just want to set my face a little bit more because I'm getting a little oily and I want to be matte. So I know this seems like a lot of glam. If you're like under a dim light and you're on a date and you're across from that person, you can just kill them with the eyes. This is a cute look, right? Do we like it? My hair is being so crazy. Okay, you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's the second time I've done it and I really think it's so fun. Super glam and super sexy and like seductive. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to stream my brand new song and check out the video for Good Love, where I got this makeup inspo. And I love you guys. Also subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video.
Nothing big.